My slip-ons have arrived. As you can see, I went with the RCX exhaust, and we'll talk more about that in a minute. I got the chrome tip compatible 3-inch slip-ons. They come in slash cut too. I went with the tip compatible. I believe you can get these in black as well. $381. I got it from West End Motorsports. So let's open it up and see what we got. There we go. There they are. They got a bunch of different tips you can choose from if you get the tip compatible. I went with I believe those are called the Excalibur. I think they look really good. But you really can't go wrong no matter what tips you order. They all look good, I think. But all right, let's get these bad boys on and hear what they sound like. Okay, I've done this once before on my Sportster. Now, it's been a few years ago though. So, I'm trying to remember, I believe we're going to remove these 2 screws, as well as these 2 on the bottom. And I think these, maybe, these up here. I believe that's all we have to do. I know you have these other ones here. I'm not sure we have to mess with those, but we'll find out. Well, there they are. Got them on. Gonna crank it up here and hear what they sound like. Let's see, get a better look at them. Gave them a good wipe down first. Don't want any fingerprints burn into them. Well, now the reason I got the RCX is because, like I said in the first video, I wanted that deep rumble. I wanted it loud, but not obnoxiously loud. And after researching them, I think that's what these will give me. I'm about to find out. Keep in mind, I am recording this on my iPhone, so it probably won't do it justice, but maybe you can get a good idea. Well, there you have it. Nice deep rumble, just what I was looking for. All right, thanks for watching.